I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey love, so as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be an unboxing of my new gold iPhone XS Max. And I did get the 256 gigabyte. Now you guys, a lot of you guys know I had the silver iPhone, the Max, and I had the 64 gig. I had this phone when it first dropped and it gave me so many problems. You guys saw in my review. If you didn't see it, I just recently did it. I linked it down below. I had to go get that phone replaced in that video once, but you guys, the update on that, I had to go get it replaced again, and it was still messing up on me. So I was just so freaking unhappy with my phone, and my husband surprised me today with this phone. So I'm like so excited, you guys. Like, I'm so happy. So I did go and sell my silver 64 gig, the Max, and I sold it to this company. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that, you guys. So I'm not getting paid to tell you guys about this. I'm just telling you guys where I sold my phone to and give you guys the plug. So this is the plug. Focus before I do my unboxing. This is where I sell all my phones at if I don't give them to like my niece or my nephew or someone who need an updated phone. I went there and sold my phone today to them. And make sure when you go, you ask for Chris. He is amazing, you guys. He's going to give you a really good deal on your phone that you're selling to the company. And also, they do have like new phones. Like, they had the XRs in there. And, you know, like, say for instance, the phone may be $800 in the store. And there it may be $650 or $700 cash, no tax. You know, like if you go to T-Mobile, you're going to pay tax and all that good jazz. And you guys know these phones can be kind of expensive because this phone was $1,200 and this one was almost, I think this was $1,400 or $1,500 because this is the 256 gig. So if you want to go there and get you a phone like brand new or whatever, you can definitely go there. But I did sell my phone and I didn't even need to give them the box. So this is the plug. Go check out the plug. Let him know that your girl Msqueenificent sent you so you can get a really, really good deal. And shout out to Chris once again. The name of the company is Cell Phone Exchange. You can buy, sell, or trade your phone. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm just giving you guys the plug. So that's that. So I already took the plastic off of it, you guys, and I looked at it, but I did not do anything to it because I wanted to do this unboxing for you guys. So I'm just going to shut the fuck up because I know you guys are like, oh my God, bitch, just unbox, bitch. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is how the phone looks. Of course, it's the gold, so it's different in the front than the silver one, as you guys can see. This is how they look in the front. Of course, this is the wallpaper for the gold, and this is the wallpaper for the silver one. And then when you go up like this with the camera lighting here, you can't really tell the difference, but this is gold and this is silver. And then on the side, you can definitely see that this is the silver one and this is the gold. And then same thing at the top. So yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And it's so hard to film like this, you guys, without seeing my face. So I'm going to try to stay in the frame. So let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. You guys, I've had this phone for 3 hours. So I'm so excited to use it. And the fact that I do have the, I'm going to cover it up, cover my IME, the 256 gigabyte. I'm so excited. My husband is the best. Shout out to my husband. He's the real MVP. And you guys, I had a Christmas wish list and I did want the 256 gold. But girl, fuck that silver phone. That bitch was haunted or something. Like, every phone they gave me was some bullshit. So I hope and pray to God that this gold one does me justice. So shout out to my husband. He's the real MVP. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Of course, designed by Apple. I'm sure you guys know what these unboxings are about. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this out so you guys can see. Nothing else is in the inside there. Of course, you get your Apple stickers and stuff like that. I don't use these. I literally just trash them. But I know a lot of people keep them. And then in the inside right here, you just get all like the, you know, the little welcome shit to tell you guys how to power it on. Just in case this is someone first time seeing this unboxing, which is slim to none because there's so many unboxings on here. But of course, I want to do it on my channel because you guys always want to know the update on my phones and things like that. So that's pretty much all you get. This right here. And then you get the SIM ejector so you can insert your SIM card, which I'm happy about that because I definitely lost the one for my silver one. So they did not put it in at the store. So that's that. And then, I don't know, whatever this bullshit is. I think this is like, girl, moving on. So this is how the phone looks. And I'm just going to take it out. You guys know in the box, all you get is the same shit you get in all the other boxes. Nothing special with the Max. You would think this phone costs almost $1,400, $1,500. You would think something else would come in the box, but that's a whole nother whatever. I talked about all that in my review. If you haven't seen it, it'll be linked down below. So of course you get the USB. You get new headphones, which I did need new headphones, even though I have the AirPods, which, like I said, the AirPods should have came in here. Of course, you know, all this bullshit, whatever. It's always good to get a new charger, though. I will say that. I'm just going to sit this right here. And I am filming in my filming room. So you see all the pink shit, that's why. So this is how it looks. This is a pretty phone, you guys. I just wanted to go with the silver one. So I'm going to show you guys. It has like a reflection on it. Let me flip it over so you guys can see. Like that. I'm going to try to take the plastic off very slowly because last time I just ripped it off and you guys gave me hell. So let's just see. And then we're going to flip it over. And that's that. And here come all the fingerprints. So I am going to power it on. I'm going to power the phone on. And I'm going to just run through it because I'm not sure if the SIM card is in it or I have to put my new SIM card in. I'm not sure when he got it. But I do have my SIM card that I had in my old phone. I got it out before I gave him my silver one. So, of course, when you first get it, just says hello. Just swipe up. Like I said, I'm not going to set it up or anything like that. Well, it's already saying LTE, so maybe they put the SIM card in it. I'm not sure. T-Mobile works differently. Just choose United States. And then this is just a quick start. I already know all of this. I'm just going to set it up manually. This is our Wi-Fi at the house. I'm just going to use cellular connection because it is saying LTE at the top, which makes me think the SIM card is in the inside. And yes, my nails are long because it is what it is. Okay, guys, so I did end up getting on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to click next right here. It just says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. I'm going to put my SIM card in it once I'm done with this video, though, so I can go ahead and set it up and stuff like that. But, yeah, I have realized that this phone on the back looks more of like a rose gold in certain angles. I noticed that it looks like a copper gold on the rim, like the edges of the phone looks more copper. And then sometimes it just looks like gold. So, continue. I'll set up Face ID later. And then I'm not going to even do all this right now. Don't use the passcode. Don't use the passcode. I'm just going to set it up, but then I'm going to say I don't have one. So it can like let me skip through. Set up later in settings. Don't use. And then agree. And then this is just where you go to like do express settings or whatever. I just always customize the settings or press continue for the sake of the video. This just says keep your iPhone up to date, get the latest features, security improvements, blah blah blah. I'm gonna update. I'll update mine manually, you guys. Um, it just says iMessage and FaceTime. People can contact you. It's like every other brand new phone. So I'm just gonna click not now because I don't want to do that. This is Siri. If this is your first time watching an unboxing of the Macs, this is just Siri. I'm sure you guys know what Siri is. I'm going to set that up later. I can't even see. Set it up later. This is screen time. Screen time gets you a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. And you can also set up parental control and stuff like that. Like if you have children, you want, and then I don't share True Tone. I always use that, and then for the sake of the video, I'll just choose the standard, and of course, this is the zoom. It just makes everything look smaller and bigger. I'm not even in the frame. You know how long I was out the frame. I'm just gonna click standard for the sake of the video, and then this is how you go home. Now, if this is your first time, you guys, I will run through it really quickly. To go home, just swipe up from the bottom edge at any time to go home. And then to switch between recent apps, it just says swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Continue. Continue. Quickly access controls. Of course, you just pull it down right here. Swipe down from the top right edge. To open Control Center, press firmly on a control to reveal more options. Basically like 3D Touch. Continue. It is 3D Touch as a matter of fact. And then welcome to iPhone. Swipe up. So that is my unboxing, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and set this phone up so I can go ahead and use it and stuff like that. I pray to God that this phone gives me the happiness that I need because I'm so excited. Like I said, shout out to my husband. He's the real MVP. This is the gold 256 gigabyte. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave all your comments down below. Leave in the comments and let me know what phone do you have. If your phone has given you any problems. If you're thinking about getting the Max or the XR or any other iPhone, or even if you are an Android user, you guys know I do have the Galaxy S9 Plus. I use that phone as well, so I am an Apple and an Android lover. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's pretty much it. I do love the color of this phone. You guys know originally I had the silver and I didn't want to get the gold because I did have the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus gold, but the silver just did not do me any justice. So I'm so excited to set this phone up and stuff like that. I hope this phone is the end to all my misery I had with the damn silver one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to watch some of my videos, which will be down below. I will have some giveaways coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. And I love you guys so much. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect.